These are the different types of viral sound effects that you can use in your video. Number 1, meme/comedy. Think Vine coded.
Bruh. Huh?
Number 2, UI/tech. Think of like computer and iPhone actions made into sound effects. Number 3, transition sound effects. Number 4, cinematic sound effects. Number 5, action sound effects. Number 6, cartoon/retro sound effects. Number 7, gaming sound effects. Use these in your videos to make them way more engaging.